Hello everyone and welcome to Rizz AI. In this quick demo, I'm going to show you around the software and show you how you can get started with the app. Okay, so right after you log in, this is what you're going to see. This is your dashboard, and right here you're going to see how many pins you generated, how many research you made, the average SEO score for you, and your favorite pins. So basically it will show you some information about your accounts, like your recent campaign and so on and so on. And right now you are watching this video here, and you can click right here on view full training, and you will be redirected to our training academy where you're gonna get more in-depth training about Rizz AI. Okay, so in this quick video I'm just gonna give you the quick starting guide for Rizz AI. Okay, so with Rizz AI, what we are doing is we basically creating hyper optimized pins for Pinterest that are guaranteed to go viral on Pinterest in any niche we want and to drive any amount of traffic we want without paying for ads. Okay, so to start, the first thing we need is to find the right keyword or the right niche for us, and this you can do with the keyword research tab right here. So if you click right here, as you can see, it will ask you for a few parameters. So it will ask you for your main topic. So let's say our main topic is fitness, and you can select a category as well. So we're gonna select lifestyle, and target audience, let's say busy moms. So we can click research keywords. Okay, and as you can see, it will give you all of the ideas that you can focus on, and it will show you the competition of each niche and the popularity and how difficult it is. So as you can see, fitness ideas is kind of difficult. Best fitness, which is I guess short for best fitness tips or best fitness supplements or something like that, is high competition. So what we want to focus on is low competition stuff. So as you can see, fitness tips, fitness ideas, not fitness ideas, DIY fitness. So as you can see, they get decent searches per month and they are rising. Those are stable. You can also find the trends, what's trending right now. You can analyze the competition right here, and it will show you the opportunities. So as you can see, for fitness tips, I can just click on here and it will instantly use it to generate a pin for me. And again, I can click here and it will instantly generate a pin for me based on these ideas. Okay, but we're gonna skip this for now and go to the generate pin tab. So let's say this is the niche I wanna go to, and right here we can generate our pin. So from the category, again, I'm going to select lifestyle, and for the products, let's say Six Bags Pro. This is a product. Description is going to be how to get 6 bags in 60 days without diet, something like that. Of course, this is a fictional product, just to show you Rizz AI. I'm gonna right here, you enter your product link, your affiliate link, your e-commerce store, whatever you want to promote, you can enter it here. I'm just gonna enter Google, click generate, and basically it will take 10 to 20 seconds to generate the pin for me, and that's it. I don't have to do anything else. So right now we search for the niche that we want. It shows us exactly the categories that we can go into and how many searches it got, and right now it generated the product or the image for us. Okay, as you can see, we have the image right here. I can save it to my library. I can view it in full size. I have the title for the pin, again hyper optimized. I have the description. Okay, and this is the link, my affiliate links that I will attach to my description, and it will also give me the hashtags for it. Okay, so I'm going to save this to my library. As you can see, another thing I can do is pin analyzer. So I can come here, if let's say you have your own pin, you have your own image, you can just click here, upload your pin, and it will analyze it for you and tell you exactly what need to be optimized and how you can optimize it further to go more viral on Pinterest. Okay, then we have the SEO optimizer. So let's say I have this right now, I can select it, and in just a few seconds it will give me my SEO analysis for it and the optimized version for it. So let's say this is my current version with the SEO analysis. In just a few seconds it will appear right here, and it will give you my optimized version. It will update this for me, and it will give me another title, another description, more keywords and more hashtags for it. Okay, I can save it as a new pin, or I can apply or I can apply those optimization to this pin. Okay, and right here you can see your saved pins, you can favorite them, you can download them, and it will tell you the average SEO score for your pins. Okay, then we have the analytics, and in the analytics it will give you basically analysis of the pins that you create, how many you created, the downloads, how many traffic you got, the average score, and basically it will tell you exactly what you are doing and if you are doing it correctly or not. So yeah, that's it for Rizz AI. One final thing is, if you have any upgrades like the infinite plug and play, set and forget, or any of those upgrades, you're gonna see them right here on the navigation bar, right here on the left. It will unlock it for you automatically right here. So yeah, that's it for now. If you have any question, click on the help tab, send us a message, and we'll be more than happy to help you out.